You had a good Nifty trading day yesterday. These were our stock picks. We had Zeal and we had HL, BEL, PVR, Sun TV, Reliance, and a couple of other stocks. Almost all stocks made a big move, 2-3%. Couple of them we were able to trade, not all of them we could. Let's see what trades uh, we worked at. So Bharti Airtel, HDFC, IndusInd Bank, Reliance, Dabur, uh, Indigo, FinNifty. So we did have good trades, some trades. Bank Nifty gave us solid trades actually. FinNifty was slightly range boundish. Even Bank Nifty, though I think we did capture this move here. We captured this move initially itself, and then we said it will recover. In fact, we shared with make it a higher side. It did come back. Then again, there was shorts coming in. Uh, Market closed almost at the day low yesterday, 46 3 400 or 300. So today we're looking at and we had one good nice trade, very low risk. Let me just show you one of that. That was almost at the end of the trade. In fact, sure. Though this was a hero zero trade, it was 20,600 above 7.8. We said 1420, and this in fact very slowly moved, came down to three levels, and we said hero zero. If you're ready to make it, go for a zero, then take it, and it did hit the target of 20. So very good, low risk, high good reward. And we also mentioned that now the put may double. We were not very keen. We took a pivot trade. So today we are looking at Mal Bharat, REC, Currents India, ICICI Bank. Uh, I'm also looking at JSW Steel, 800. I think there now we can see the charts. What I wanted to show you here is JSW is see the liquidity is very low. So let's look at JSW. Sorry, I'm looking at typically I'm looking at sorry, the put side. Oh, right now it is somewhere at 16.95. So what I wanted to show you is now options are there available in TradingView. If you see how nicely the premiums are got killed. If you are shorted somewhere, at the beginning, whether it is JSW Steel 800 or JSW Steel uh, 760 call, let's look at 760. Even that, also to a large extent, the premium was got killed. It was somewhere at 90. So both sides premium gets killed if you are able to write uh, uh, even in the monies. This is what I wanted to just show. So it's all about intrinsic value, uh, delta decay, time decay. Basically, the time decay premium gets killed here. Uh, so today I'm looking at JSW Steel. Let me just share you uh, what what I have done is now we use primary, look at one direction. Uh, we also share call and put levels. Like for example, REC 430 call above 11.12, we are looking at 13. If it is 430 put above 4.7, we're looking at. So we share both so that the levels are prepared and people are what you can say. So here is JSW about 13.7. If it is call about 20, we are looking at these targets. Let's look at the charts here. I'm looking at JSW. If you see here, it is mostly trading in this range. So that's the reason I have both call and put, which I'm looking at. We are also looking at Dal Bharat. Dal Bharat, possibly I'm looking at again on the short side, because if you see the market structure slightly, now it is moving up, it may retrace back once down to this levels. So we will see. It may even go up. Cummins India, I'm looking at primarily put. I'm looking at 2,700 put. If this, I think moves. I'm typically looking at this at targets of 75, 80 plus. Let us see how far Cummins India is going to move down. Uh, and then I'm looking at ICICI Bank. ICICI also typically I would let's see how it has been moving. You see it has come down, moved up, down, up. You know, I'm expecting this move, but right now it has gone up. It may continue further and then come down, or it may continue complete up towards this level. But I am expecting it to move a little up and come down, or just go down like this. So this is what is our expectation. Bharti Airtel also, Bharti Airtel is really fantastic. It is a intraday. If you are able to see this move here, just going up straight. This move everybody would have captured, analyzed at the right moment. You would see how is this. It's pretty strong. So I will look at a small retracement here, or I may look at now it has come down a little bit, and then uh, something which we need to see. Market doesn't go just straight up or down. Just need to understand that and trade accordingly. And then we are looking at MGL and REC. So few stocks I have in radar. Once the market opens, I will look at a few more. I may even look at Reliance. I may look at NDFC. But currently, I didn't have much time to just do this basic analysis. Bank Nifty, if you see, has been moving down if you look at a shorter time frame. However, when you look at the daily chart, yes, of course, it is moving down, but let me just hide the drawings. Okay. You would see now there is selling pressure. Most of the candles, it has been doji. It is very indecisive. Almost every time it has been indecisive. If you see, this is the kind of structure it is made. Here, little bit of breakout. So with this breakout, probably people thought, it may go to 50,000, but then, you see it just been coming down. So currently it has retested first level 46,000 almost, and then moved back. It may go, what I can see is it may hit 46,970 and then may move down. So, or even 47,133 and then move down. Or it can just continue with the downtrend. So if you ask the levels for Bank Nifty, I am only going to trade, or either I would go long. I would only go long only above 46 680, or I'm rather I would say I'm bullish about 46 680 for targets of 47 uh, 120. Above that, I'm targeting at 47 280. Yeah, I'm short today below 46 300 or 290, sorry, 296 for targets of 46,040 and then 45,870. So this would be my levels, but again I will see how the algo trades come and then we would trade accordingly. Uh, at the moment, I'm not looking at any mid-cap stocks, adding any mid-cap stocks. Earlier I had mentioned reduce. I kept getting it, the market was going up. We were mentioning to reduce your equity positions. Currently, we are only looking to add large caps. We would add HDFC Bank. We would look at Bajaj Finance. We would look at we will look at Bemel, Britannia. We would look at Reliance, of course. So every 10% or every 5 to 10% fall, you will add few like SIP, and maybe post elections or during elections, we would look at mid cap and small caps. And of course, you can look at penny stocks. Penny stocks, the plenty. I think you can look at Ratan Power. You may look at just yeah, good time to add Suzlon, as these are all for long term. S-Bank, SpiceJet. These are our favorites. I have already added Jet Airways. Was if you see, in fact, Jet Airways, we were confident, and then we saw nice. We've been seeing the upper circuits almost every day. Uh, let's look at Suzlon. How it's not a really great stock as far as I feel, but then yes, as a penny stock, fundamentally, company. I don't want to talk about the ethics and fundamentals. Not a very great company to talk about. Yes, bank, yes, because HDFC Bank and is taking over slowly, part by part. So thank you, friends, for joining us. Have a wonderful day. Uh, Bank Nifty is going to be very volatile. So yeah, the other thing I wanted to speak about is the IT stocks because of TCS was hit very badly. If you ask my view, uh, it it may retest uh, 3,800. See, yes, it should retest 3,700 or 800 levels typically. So we will see how far it can go. Even Infosys is coming into this triangle. Mm, I wouldn't look to add Infosys. Maybe I look to add TCS, Wipro, Bsoft, Siemens India, Oracle, or Tata Technology. Let's look at Rajesh Exports. It's almost become you know, come, it's almost come to very low. I wonder what happened to the stock. we have thankfully we exited it around 460 levels. So anyway, thanks a lot for joining in. Have a wonderful day. Uh, God bless you all. Take care and